North Carolina Journeyman Electrician exam is a computer-based test consisting of 70 multiple-choice questions. You will have 3 hours and 30 minutes to complete the exam, which is administered at Pearson VUE testing centers. The exam covers several content areas including electrical theory and code, basic circuits, conductors and cables, motors, transformers and generators, safety and work practices, lighting systems, and special systems. Let's break down each of these areas in more detail. Firstly, electrical theory and code, which makes up 20% of the exam, includes electrical principles and Ohm's law, electrical symbols and diagrams, and electrical codes, including the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Secondly, basic circuits, also comprising 20% of the exam, covers series and parallel circuits, circuit analysis, and circuit troubleshooting. Thirdly, conductors and cables, which accounts for 15% of the exam, includes conductor types and properties, cable sizing, and installation. Fourthly, motors, transformers, and generators, another 15% of the exam, covers alternating current and direct current motor principles, transformer construction and operation, and generator types and applications. Fifthly, safety and work practices, also 15% of the exam, includes electrical safety regulations, lockout-tagout procedures, and personal protective equipment. Sixthly, lighting systems, which makes up 10% of the exam, covers lighting fixture types and applications and lighting calculations and design. Seventhly, special systems, comprising the remaining 5% of the exam, includes fire alarm systems, security systems, and renewable energy systems. To prepare for the exam, start by studying the relevant code book, primarily the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Next, review coursework and textbooks from your apprenticeship or electrical training program. After that, take practice exams, which are available online and in preparation materials. Be sure to focus on understanding the concepts, as memorization alone is not sufficient. Consider joining a study group to connect with other candidates and discuss exam topics. You might also consider professional training, such as courses or workshops offered by trade schools or unions. On exam day, be sure to arrive at the testing center well rested and prepared. Bring a calculator and any approved reference materials. Manage your time wisely during the exam. Read questions carefully and eliminate incorrect answers. If you are unsure of an answer, guess intelligently. Don't be afraid to flag questions for review later. Let's delve deeper into each of the content areas to give you a more comprehensive understanding of what to expect. For electrical theory and code, you should be familiar with fundamental electrical principles such as voltage, current, resistance, and power. Understand Ohm's law, which states that voltage equals current times resistance, and how it applies to various circuits. Be able to interpret electrical symbols and diagrams commonly used in electrical plans. Have a thorough understanding of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, including its structure, articles, and tables. For basic circuits, be able to analyze series and parallel circuits to determine voltage, current, and resistance values. Understand how to apply Kirchhoff's laws, which are fundamental to circuit analysis. Develop skills in circuit troubleshooting, including identifying common faults and using test equipment to diagnose problems. For conductors and cables, be familiar with different types of conductors, such as copper and aluminum, and their properties, including ampacity, resistance, and insulation. Understand how to size conductors and cables based on the load requirements and applicable NEC tables, for example, Table 310.15b16. Be familiar with proper installation techniques for conductors and cables, including conduit bending, wire pulling, and termination methods. For motors, transformers, and generators, understand the principles of alternating current and direct current motors, including the construction, operation, and control. Be familiar with transformer construction, operation, and applications, including step-up and step-down transformers. Understand different types of generators and their applications, including synchronous and induction generators. For safety and work practices, Know electrical safety regulations, such as those outlined in the NEC and Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA standards. Be familiar with lockout-tagout procedures for energizing electrical equipment before performing maintenance or repairs. Understand the proper use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as gloves, safety glasses, and arc flash suits. For lighting systems, be familiar with different types of lighting fixtures, including incandescent, fluorescent, and LED fixtures. Understand lighting calculations and design principles, including foot candle levels, spacing, and fixture selection. Be able to apply relevant NEC requirements for lighting installations. For special systems, have a general understanding of fire alarm systems, including their components, operation, and NEC requirements found in Article 760. Be familiar with security systems, including access control, intrusion detection, and surveillance. Understand the basics of renewable energy systems, such as solar photovoltaic and wind power systems, and their integration with the electrical grid, including relevant NEC articles such as Article 690 for solar photovoltaic systems. When studying the NEC, pay close attention to articles related to general wiring requirements, branch circuits, feeders, services, grounding and bonding, and equipment installation. Use the NEC index and table of contents to quickly locate specific information. Practice using the NEC to answer exam questions and solve practical problems. Remember that the North Carolina Journeyman Electrician exam is designed to assess your knowledge and skills as a competent electrician. Thorough preparation, a solid understanding of electrical principles, and familiarity with the NEC are essential for success. During the exam, read each question carefully and pay attention to keywords and phrases. Eliminate obviously incorrect answers to narrow down your choices. If you are unsure of an answer, make an educated guess based on your knowledge and understanding. Don't spend too much time on any one question. If you are stuck, flag it for review later and move on. Make sure to review your answers before submitting the exam to catch any errors or omissions. By following these tips and dedicating yourself to thorough preparation, you can increase your chances of passing the North Carolina Journeyman Electrician exam and advancing your career as an electrician. Remember to stay calm, focused, and confident throughout the exam. You have the knowledge and skills to succeed. Furthermore, when studying electrical theory, be sure to review concepts such as alternating current and direct current, impedance, power factor, and three-phase power systems. Understand how to calculate voltage drops in conductors and size conductors accordingly, using NEC Chapter 9, Table 8 for conductor properties and appropriate voltage drop formulas. Be familiar with different types of overcurrent protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, and their application in protecting electrical circuits and equipment. When studying basic circuits, practice analyzing complex circuits using techniques such as mesh analysis and nodal analysis. Understand the principles of operation of different types of electrical components, such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Be familiar with the use of test equipment such as multimeters, ammeters, and ohmmeters for troubleshooting electrical circuits. When studying conductors and cables, understand the different types of insulation materials used for conductors such as THHN, THWN, and XHHW, and their applications. Be familiar with different types of cable assemblies such as NM cable, MC cable, and UF cable, and their installation requirements. Understand the NEC requirements for conductor ampacity adjustment and correction factors based on ambient temperature and the number of conductors in a raceway, as specified in NEC Table 310.15b3. When studying motors, transformers, and generators, understand the different types of motor starters and their applications, including across-the-line starters, reduced voltage starters, and variable frequency drives. Be familiar with transformer connections, such as delta and Y connections, and their impact on voltage and current relationships. Understand the principles of operation of different types of generators, including synchronous generators and induction generators, and their applications in power generation. When studying safety and work practices, be familiar with the requirements for arc flash hazard analysis and the selection of appropriate personal protective equipment. Understand the procedures for working safely on your energized electrical equipment, including maintaining proper clearances and using insulated tools. Be familiar with the requirements for grounding and bonding electrical systems to ensure electrical safety and prevent electrical shock hazards, including NEC Article 250. When studying lighting systems, understand the different types of lighting control systems, such as dimmers, occupancy sensors, and daylight harvesting systems. Be familiar with the requirements for energy-efficient lighting design and the use of lighting controls to reduce energy consumption. Understand the NEC requirements for lighting in different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. When studying special systems, have a general understanding of the requirements for other special systems, such as communication systems, data processing systems, and healthcare facilities. Be familiar with the NEC requirements for these systems and the unique hazards associated with them. Remember to review the NEC frequently and use it as your primary reference for answering exam questions. The NEC is a comprehensive document, and it is essential to have a thorough understanding of its contents to succeed in the North Carolina Journeyman Electrician exam. By dedicating yourself to thorough preparation and studying all of the relevant topics, you can increase your chances of passing the exam and advancing your career as an electrician.